And a very good morning to you. You're watching Times Now Live. I'm Pratibha. Thank you for joining us this morning. First up, let's get you the top headlines. Amid a growing chorus against the introduction of the Hindi language in Maharashtra schools from classes 1 to 5th, the state cabinet decided to withdraw 2 government orders on the implementation of the 3-language policy. At least 3 persons, including 2 women, were killed and around 50 others injured in a stampede near the Sri Gundicha temple in Odisha's Puri on Sunday morning during a ceremony related to the ongoing Rath Yatra festivities. Senior BJP leader Shwendu Adhikari led a rally in protest against the alleged gang rape of a first-year student of a state-run law college in the city, demanding security for every daughter across West Bengal. The Congress cited the reported comments of India's defence attaché to Indonesia that the Indian Air Force lost fighter jets to Pakistan during Operation Sindoor and accused the government of having misled the country. Union Home Minister Amit Shah rules out any talks with Maoists and said that the cadre of the proscribed outfit should give up arms, surrender before the police and join mainstream. The Election Commission will soon upload the 2003 Bihar electoral roll on its website to facilitate the nearly 4.96 crore voters whose names figure on the exact to relevant portion to be attached with the enumeration form for the special intensive revision of the voters list. President Draupadi Murmu will visit UP for 2 days from Monday. The president will grace the 11th convocation ceremony of the Indian Veterinary Research Institute in Bareilly today. Anil Khemani, the last victim of the horrific June 12th Ahmedabad plane crash identified through DNA tests, has been cremated in Gujarat's Kutch district, bringing closure to the family after 2 weeks of wait and distress that included the submission of samples twice. Ministry of External Affairs outrightly dismisses Pakistan's lies. Islamabad alleged that New Delhi was responsible for the Waziristan attack, but the MEA rubbished the claims as baseless, adding they deserve nothing but contempt. In the 123rd edition of the Mann Ki Baat address, Prime Minister Modi took a strong dig at the Congress party, accusing the architects of emergency of having arrested democracy.